Today we are going to learn the MCQs on types of matrix. First is, which type of matrix is matrix A? See, if we observe this matrix A, it is a matrix of 1 by 3. The number of row is 1, therefore it is called a row matrix. Second, a square matrix is skew-symmetric matrix if Aij is equals to minus Aj. This is the condition of square matrix, skew-symmetric matrix. A matrix is skew-symmetric or anti-symmetric matrix if A is equals to minus A transpose. This is again the second condition of skew-symmetric matrix. Next question. If A is equals to 0 to minus 2, 0, then matrix A is called. See, if we observe the number of rows and number of columns are same, so it is a square matrix. And if we observe this, Aij is equals to minus Aij, so it is skew-symmetric matrix also. So the answer is C, both A and B. In a matrix, the number of rows and the number of columns are not same. Then the matrix is called. See, number of rows, that is M, is not equal to N. So the matrix is of M by N. Suppose it is of 2 by 3 or it is of 2 by 4. So it is called a rectangular matrix. This is a, which type of matrix this is? Matrix A is given and we have to find out which type of matrix is this. If we see here, this 4, 7 and 5, this 4, 7 and 5, these are the diagonal element. And if we observe, the elements above the diagonal elements are 0, above. So if it is the elements above the diagonal elements are 0, then the matrix is called lower triangular matrix. If the order of matrix is n by n, then the matrix is called the n by n, means we can say this is of 2 by 2, this is of 3 by 3 matrix. So it is a square matrix. The square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if all non-diagonal elements are 0. We know the definition of diagonal matrix. See, these are the diagonals and the elements other than the diagonal elements are 0. So it is called a diagonal matrix. So all non-diagonal elements are 0, then it is called a diagonal matrix. Unit matrix is denoted by, the unit matrix is denoted by IN. A square matrix is said to be triangular if it is either upper triangular or lower triangular. So both type of triangular matrix, that is upper triangular and lower triangular matrix, are said to be triangular matrix. So the answer is C. K is equals to 2002 is a, which type of matrix it is? It is a scalar matrix because the diagonal elements are same. So it is called a scalar matrix. Can a scalar matrix be a square matrix? Yes, because in square matrix only we can find out the diagonals. So see, this is a scalar matrix. See, this matrix K is a scalar matrix and it is a square matrix also, we can see here. If all elements below leading principal diagonal are 0, below, it is below. So the matrix is upper diagonal matrix. Next question. If A is equals to A transpose, if A is equals to A transpose, then the matrix is called symmetric matrix. Then the matrix is called symmetric matrix. So answer is D. This is the condition of symmetric matrix. If the order of matrix is m by 1, means there is only one column, only one column. If there is only one column, then the matrix is called as column matrix. If matrix O is 0, 0, 0, 0, then the matrix O is called null matrix. All the elements of matrix are 0, so the matrix is called null matrix. If A is given and we have to find out A transpose, we know while writing A transpose, we have to replace the row by column. Means the answer is 235 minus 294 and 60 minus 3. This is the option. By changing sign of all elements of matrix, if we change the sign means we are multiplying by minus and the matrix is negative of a matrix. Next, skew symmetric matrix is also called. The name of skew symmetric matrix is also anti-symmetric matrix. Generally, the matrix are denoted by. The matrix are always denoted by capital letter. We know we write A is equals to the matrix. X is equals to the matrix. So it is always denoted by the capital letters. By interchanging rows and columns of matrix, we get its transpose. If we interchange the rows and columns, we get the transpose of matrix. Last question. The diagonal element of skew symmetric matrix are. The diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are all 0. So these are all about the few questions or few MCQs on types of matrix. Thank you.